40 teams of rescue personnel have divided the search areas into 6 zones to carry out the rescue work. While over 200 people were injured, the army and other officials rescued around 1,000, and the death toll is expected to rise further as the rescue operations continue.
We are at Churalmala on the Bailey Bridge, the construction of which was completed last evening, which has made the rescue operations very, comfortable compared to the last 2-3 days. You can see there is a proper path for people to, the rescue operators to use, and also the vehicles to travel, because that was not the case yesterday, day before yesterday, and all we were using this part. The rescue operators were using this temporary bridge setup here that you are seeing right now in the visuals to commute, because only people could use this path. Very evidently that none of the vehicles can take this route. It was a temporary bridge that they set up, very, very difficult to use. One person at a time, maximum 2 or 3 people could only travel. But the case is different today once the construction is over, as vehicles with relief materials, with equipments and machinery are all taking this bridge to reach up till there at Mundakai, where the rescue operation is still pending, where the rescue operation is going in full swing. You can see the path leading to Mundakai. It's a 3-4 kilometer route which the rescue operators were yesterday walking, recovering bodies and walking through this 3-4 kilometers down from Mundakai. But today onwards, it's become very easy because of the vehicle movement and also the machinery movement. You see on the other side, the evacuation taking place, conducted by the state fire force here. They're using JCBs and Hitachis to, excavators to, remove the mud and the boulders that's lying here. And right after the machines have removed it from the ground, the rescue operators, the fire force there, are going and, using a stick to see if there's any body part or anything to recover. So the death toll is very likely to increase, is what we are understanding, and possibly cross a digit that's been, that will prove that this is probably one of the biggest tragedies. This not even probably, that is one of the biggest tragedies the state has ever witnessed. With video journalist Tingu Rajashekar, Shubhamol KG for India Today from Wayanad.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.